just missed Henry. There's Tip Top Terry talking to a monkey hanger. Got our new horse, so I'm just watering, giving everything a good dose. And some of these spuds have started coming out. Not them in there. These here, which are king headers. We'll take these off in a minute, so I don't need them. There you go. So king headers have started. I can go weed that bed in a minute. Look at stir for that. A couple of weeks. Not good. So, some nice moss there for me. And pink fir apple finally. Just one right now, filling all pots up. In case it don't rain for a while. Let them two fill up there and this one. I'll just give everything a good dosing. Nearly got out from yesterday. That's not seaweed, it's bloodfish and bone. Dope again. Give Henry the wrong stuff. Peasley cork here. They've not stood up yet, but they're in cork here. Yeah. Everything's looking good. Brought these up from home this morning. Where are they? In the tobacco and that. I've just got my spray and a couple of leafers, sorry. So they can stop in there. Can't remember what these was. Oh, there's them when I potted up yesterday, haven't they? Yeah. That's some tobacco. I've just eaten some tobacco up top. And some cherry tomatoes. Let somebody have a pick about in them. Give them a water today, them herbs. Coming on, man. And carrots, I've just had 5 minutes in each corner with the horse, so that bed should be absolutely soaking underneath. They're looking nice and healthy, ain't they? Don't get water on top then, very rarely. And it goes really dry on top, but all that water there that is soaked up, because I've just watered the bed from underneath. So it's soaked all that dark up. It was all that colour before. So it looks a treat, that bed. It makes it harder coming on now. There's normal, just getting watered the normal way, these. Some dosing from top. We're doing okay. We'll walk top in a minute. Just wait for my mate come. It'll be about 10 o'clock, he said. And we'll have a walk up top and see Ken. Right, fill them butts and I'll put that kettle on. Here's one them butts are filling. I'm not wasting time. Going round. Oh, sugar. Top come off. That's about £5 worth. And I'm going round with my salt in these paths. Never a still moment on the allotment this time of year. Anyway, we'll carry on with that. That's all water butts up. Everything's had a good dose. And then 5 bags of salt have gone. I've gone all the way around from top to bottom. Only place I've not done is this top bit, but it's not so bad up here. I don't want any salted pond anyway, so and weed round there. Done all beds in between all paths. And I've got to clean out in here. So next, brew time. Boom. Back. We didn't do a lot yesterday because we had a lot of visitors. I was here till dinner time. My mate come with his girlfriend and he was having a good gander about on here. I think he's on about getting a plot. Anyway, a bit of maintenance here. The screw's dropped off, can you see? So that needs pushing down and screwing back on. Yeah. I'll get that done. I was going to plant that beds today, but I'm not bothering because this on this side's not picked up so good. It's just picking up now. It's not dying. That side's okay. They're picking up. I'm going to leave it another week because it was a bit cold this morning. I'll get some bits and bobs done. And then I'll fix this first. Yeah, that's that one. 2-minute job. Still can't find out what this is. Must be trying to work it out with Henry and he reckons he's not put it in and I've not. But I'll just leave that, let it develop, see what it is. I think that's definitely a collar. There. No broccoli. Definitely. Oops. Weed though, see? I salted in here yesterday so it will die, but take it out because it leaks a bit on the side. There's another. And the compost they got. I'll fetch me hedge clippers up tomorrow. I'll clip these little bushes here, keep them down. Oh, if that edge needs a trim, I don't think it needs one yet. No, that's okay. Going alright now, the edge. Cut it right down last year. You could load off width and it looked a bit ropey, but excuse me, greening up now. This Wallace was salted yesterday. Got all that done. I'm thinking a lot more with them because me and the missus went pub last night as well. I was a bit wistful. Pumpkin's looking good. Looking belting. I can start tying that in now, watch. Let's get one of these clips. And they don't actually, if you look, they don't touch the stem. See there? Nice and loose that stem in there. We don't damage the stem. And once that grows up, I'll tie it in and move that up as it grows up. These are not ready yet, that's got in there. And that's not there yet. Yeah, stink of tomatoes now. Okay. Full of flowers then. Tumbling Tom. Tomatoes on there soon. These spuds are bouncing through now. Give them all a good proper dousing yesterday with horse part. It's lovely and warm in here. I'll read that's back to front, is it? 14 degrees or something. This is full of flowers. What's that one? Roma. We need to get some canes in here to stand these up. Grapevine's doing okay. Yeah, this has got flowers on as well. What's that? Allotment. That's full of flowers. There's our giant one. It's a giant, isn't it? Giant. Oh yeah, that's full of, look at them. There's fat flower seeds there, mate. Flower heads. Monster. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. I'm not going to plant them beds today. Just in case we have another cold one tonight. So what I'll do, I'll take them out at cold frame. Okay, that's okay. I'll take them out at cold frame actually. I'll just leave them on here. So, that's not done. Not there. Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll leave them on here. So right the cold frame. Just going a bit more acclimatised because the other ones I threw straight out the cold frame like a novice and didn't tear them off. There's another one. I'll throw the runt on it, Sean. Yeah, so these, cabbage and collar, I'll leave them for another week. That back is coming on now. Yeah. I need some more celery. I've got some at home. For about 9, 10 plants there. I need some more from home. I've done some more beans. We have got some and they're just taking off now. So them should be okay. They're yard long beans, Chinese yard long beans. So we need them for the competition. These what I thought was peppers from home are not peppers. The tomatoes are some kind. So hang on a minute. Let's get them little plants out right there. I've just potted them up, love lies bleeding in little pots. Oh, that collar keeps messing about with it. Yeah. So they're all tomatoes then, I don't know what kind, I haven't got a clue. But they can go up top when they grow up a bit. I just want my pots back. Sick of losing pots up that top. That's some tobacco that I just forgot about. It was in there, dry as a bone. And I saw little green specks on top when I put it in water. Some tobacco's come out. I don't know how long that's been there. Well, there you go. I don't know what that is, but it's dead. In the bin it goes. Some more compost. Well, that's about it there. Yeah, I believe them's not pepper. We've got loads of peppers at home anyway. Sorted them out yesterday. We've got 8 ready. That's all we need. No, 9 we need. So, wait, what's I got there? Kettle. Yeah. We've just been gifted off a fella plot holder. Giant onion. For a competition. There's another one. So what he does, he got some crumpers last year. When he does, he grows a bit green, so I'm going to pop them in here. So another one for the giant veg. I'll pop them in and give him his bird pots back. Be a good neighbour. There, they're in. let the competition commence. Need to go and get these pots back to him. There's right up top up there. Tom's caught up with us again. Because I've gone to see grandkids this morning. Didn't see them yesterday. So I've not done a lot today because I'm feeling a bit tender. Got them big onions in anyway. Just drop my lighter. Yeah. So tomorrow, I don't know what I'll be doing. Doing something with them, but I'll see you then.